This is now the corrections for our spiral math review on Monday, May 4th. We are correcting day 1. You should have already done your work in pencil, and now you should have your red pen out to correct it. The first one, there are blank rows. I know that rows go side to side, so I'm counting across. 1, 2 rows side to side. Columns are up and down. This is the first column and the second column. We have 2 columns. So our multiplication problem becomes 2 times 2. Because if I'm adding up 2 boxes on this first row, 2 boxes on the second row, I'm adding the same number 2 times. 2 plus 2, same numbers. And 2 added 2 times is 4. There are 4 boxes. We need to circle a shape that's partitioned into equal parts. So they partitioned it, which means they divided the shape, but I need to look which ones have equal. They're the exact same size. I can see on the second one, the top part is smaller than the middle part. That is not equal. But these, each one of these sections, these wedges, are the same size. So this is partitioned into equal parts. Which tool should be used to measure the length of a glue stick? We are measuring length. Okay, so that tells me right away I should be talking about rulers or measuring tapes or yardsticks or meter sticks. We are not going to be using tablespoon. That measures capacity. That measures how much of something you have, not how long it is. So these two could be options. Both of these measure length, but which one would make sense to measure a glue stick? Well, a ruler would make sense. A meter stick is much too large to use to measure a glue stick. You can use a meter stick, but the better choice would be to use a ruler. Okay, how many inches is the crayon box? I can see that it ended right here on the number 1. If you just put 1, that answer is incorrect. You need to have the unit inch after there. So please make sure you write 1 inch and have inch after the number. Okay, and the length of a classroom, circle the best choice. 9 meters or 9 centimeters. Okay, I can't show you my meter stick that I have in the classroom, but we remember the meter stick was the larger ruler that we have. It's not a regular ruler, but it was that long stick that we used to measure the doorway and the window. And a ruler here has centimeters on it. And we remember the size of one entire ruler goes up to 30. So 9 would be less than half. It's only this long on a regular ruler. So would a classroom be 9 centimeters, the whole length of a classroom? Absolutely not. We wouldn't even be able to fit a piece of paper in there. So 9 centimeters doesn't make any sense. It has to be 9 meters. And 9 of those meter sticks, that would make sense to go across the length of our classroom. All right, I will see your work on Friday.